Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to change default Google account. First, unlock your phone and open the Google app. Once it's open, select Google from the top right side of the screen. Now tap on your Google profile picture at the top right side of the screen. Different options will appear, so tap on Sign Out. After tapping on Sign Out, your Google account will open directly. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right side of the screen. Now tap on the drop-down arrow below your name at the top of the screen. Different account options will appear. From the available options, tap on Manage Account on this device. This will open the accounts currently available on your device. Now, remove the first account from the device by tapping on Remove from this device. Then add the next account that you want to use. After doing this, that account will become your default Google account. And that's how you can change your default Google account. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Google tutorials.